Ang ganda naman ngayong gabi. Kompleto tayo lahat. Sige. Yes, we're ready to start our preliminary activity. First question. What do you think is the main purpose of strand 4.1? Developing self-matter. Blue, got correct answer. It's continuous learning and developing. Ma'am Anna, Ma'am Emmy, JRT, Hunter, and Amari, you are the first top 5 on the scoreboard. Congratulations. Question 2. Which skill is a part of personal development? Yes, it's emotional intelligence or the EQ. Emmy, Hunter, Anna, Amari, Joem, you're part of the top 5. Marjo is the highest climber as well. Now question 3. What does SMART stand for in English? Majority of you and most of you got the correct answer. It's specific, measurable, attainable, and time-bound. Hunter, Emmy, Amari, Anna, Dandy, Zaldi. Do I need to read that? Zaldi, okay. It's the highest climber. Next, question 4. Professional reflection requires empathy and definitely it's true. Hunter, Amari, Anna, Emmy, and Dandy. Question 5. What is a key benefit of professional networking? Okay, definitely it's for access to somebody's expertise. Okay, we cannot monopolize knowledge. Anyway, Hunter, Anna, Amari, Dandy, Emmy. Next, which activity is a part of professional development? Majority, all of you got the correct answer. Training program. Anna, Hunter, Dandy, Amari, and Emmy. Joem, you are also recognized. Question 7. What does continuous monitoring help school leaders? Again, majority, that's tracking progress is continuous monitoring. Anna, Hunter, Dandy, Amari, Emmy, Sir Marlon, you're also recognized. Question 8, which is not a strategy for engaging with networks? cannot engage with networks if you avoid participating in any events. Anna, Dandy, Amari, Laika, welcome. On the scoreboard, Ma'am Cathy, also you are recognized. Question 9. Reflection will help learners learn from their experience. Okay, it's yellow and that's true. Dandy now on first, Anna, Laika, Amari, Hunter. Laika, you're recognized, and Ma'am Ming is also recognized with 9 straight correct answer. Next, which component is action planning? Yes, it's setting timelines. Action plan. There should be timelines. Sir Dandy, Ma'am Amari, Hunter, Anna, Laika. Next. Okay. It improves decision making. Dandy, Amari, Anna, Hunter, Laika. Rona is also recognized. 12. Which is the benefit of collaboration and development? Yes, sharing of ideas through collaboration. Andy, Hunter, Amari, Anna, and Laika. Next. Question 13. What mindset supports lifelong learning? Definitely, it's growth mindset. Okay. Same people. Okay, next. Question 14. Which is a key part of professional networks? Majority, yes. Mentorship. Ma'am Emmy, Laika, Anna, Hunter. Sure, Dante is still on the first. Next, what should leaders do after self-assessment? Majority again got the correct answers. Goal setting. Dandy, Hunter, Anna, Laika, and Amari, Sir Harold. You are also recognized. Question 16. Which is not a part of personal development? Yes. Perfect. Ignoring your emotions. Ronaldo is recognized as well. Last three questions. How do reflective leaders improve their capability? Definitely, yes. It starts with active listening. Dandy, Hunter, Anna, Laika, Ma'am Arlene, C. You are now part of the top 5. Even Ma'am Gina B, you're also recognized. Congratulations. Question 18. What role does PPSSH play for school leaders? Performance guide. Okay. Amari. Rona, you're the highest climber. Last question. Which is a way to contribute for professional network? Yellow. Majority of you got a correct answer. It's sharing of your best practices or your successes. Laika on third. Hunter on second. And our champion is
Sayang.
Ma'am Ana and Ma'am Amari. You are the second, third, and fourth winners. You may now claim your rewards again. Congratulations to everyone. Okay, once again, congratulations po sa mga active participation. So happy that we are complete in the